Elsa, do you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the door, it's like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? It does have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye. Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride a bike around the hall? I sing some company, so I do. It's that I talking to the pictures on the walls. Hanging the door and it gets a little lonely. All the empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa, please, I know in there. People are asking where you've been. They show courage and I'm trying to. I'm not here for you, just let me in. You only have each other, it's just and me. What are we gonna do? Do you wanna build a snowman?